Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a really fun release from Kellofaplan. I have some new sticker books. There's some new filler paper. Love filler paper. And also, I don't have these items, but there are some new planner covers in this really nice neutral color scheme that are really pretty. If you've purchased one of Heather's planner covers before in the past, it's the same style, just new colors. And I'll try to put a picture of the 3 new colors. But yeah, if you're looking for a really nice planner cover, like more professional looking, or just like a nice planner cover. I always like to have planner covers on my planners. Definitely check out the ones that are releasing from Kellofaplan this week. So I will have all the details on release and all of that down in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. I have my affiliate link also down in the description. But I'm going to flip through everything here, do a little plan with me, and share with you the items that are coming out. Oh, but first let me share the planner cover. So like I said, it's going to be different colors. I just have I have a couple of her planner covers. It has a nice little snap right here. There's a pen loop, a nice pocket in the front, and on the back too. So yeah, this is the planner cover, and it's going to be available in, I believe, 3 new colors that are like the neutral color scheme. Okay, so that's the planner cover, and then I'm going to go into the items. So first things first, we have 2 filler paper packs. Okay, love some lined and dot grid sheets. I thought this was just lined. Okay, so we got dot grid. So let me open this up. I love the little, like her little sheet right here. I don't know what you call this, but you know, with all the cute decor stuff on the bottom. Lined and dot grid sheets. 50 sheets, double-sided, pre-punched. And this is classic size. So if you use a classic size happy planner, this is gonna fit perfectly in here. Also, like, you could always cut these down if you use like a mini, but you could also put these in a big too. You can fit anything in a big. So we have some really nice lined paper. Has a lined, like, striped punched edge, and then the back is just going to be lined too. So you're going to get half of this is going to be lined, and then the other half is my favorite type of paper, which is dot grid. So you get the dot grid, and then you get the lined in here. So super simple, nice paper pack here. These I use a lot. I use these at work. I use these to take notes. These are great to have on hand. So that's a nice little pack. And then we have some daily worksheets. These are nice too because they're just nice to have on hand when you have like a busier week or a busier day to get organized. So again, 50 sheets, double-sided, pre-punched, classic size on this one. You obviously won't be able to cut this one down like you would the other sheets, but you could put these in the big. All right, so it's a daily sheet right here. So we have today's date, and then you can circle the day of the week, the month, and then the date. So you have a priority section, meeting, tasks, today's section, notes, and then you have an open section here that you can do as you would like. And then here is the back. So these are all double-sided with the same exact thing. And you get 50 sheets of these. So that is the filler pack. Those are the filler packs that are releasing today. Now let's go into the sticker books. We have 2 sticker books. First one is Neutral Basics. Love a good neutral sticker book. Okay, and I like Heather's books like this because she puts a really nice variety, like a huge variety of color options in here. The different shades of colors. All right, so here's the first sheet, and you get monthly boxes, regular boxes, bill due, habit trackers, checklists, bullet points. And some double boxes, days of the week. You have some hourly little strips right here. These are all, I'm assuming, a lot of these are gonna fit on this sheet, which I'm gonna test out later in the video. And then you have month stickers, this fun washi sticker, and then you have these that you can use to date the planner. Okay, so that was the first color scheme. Now you get a slighter, like a lighter tan color here, and they're gonna have the same boxes, same functional stickers, just in a different color scheme. And then a slightly different brown. See, again, I like the different varieties of the shades of neutral colors. Okay, this one's a little darker. And that one. This one's kind of grayish brown. I like the font she chose for this one too. Ooh, this one's kind of like a bluish green gray. That's a nice color. Okay, this one is definitely going to be sitting off to the side, like ready to use, because this will go with so many spreads. Okay, then we have a dark gray. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. Don't really see that blue very often. And then, of course, black, because black goes with everything. So it's definitely a neutral. All right, so that is the Neutral Basics Volume 2 sticker book. And now we go into the Daily Work Basics. This one looks so cute. I love just all the different, like, these are going to be stickers, but the different images in here, especially that one. That one's so cute. And the color scheme, so cute. All right, so here's the first. Oh, these will fit also. These would probably fit on the filler sheet. All right, so we got, oh, I love these little, all these bullet points and the size and everything. Got an hourly, long checklist, long boxes, important tasks. And then you have all of these headers. And then you have, oh, this is cool. Okay, so you get this first sheet, the functional sheet, and then you have the coordinating decorative sheet right here, which is nice because then you just work off these 2 pages and then you have like a cohesive, nice spread. So here's the first theme, the black and gold and white. Then we go into like a more pastel-y theme here. Ooh, that one's pretty. Cute little desk scenes. Okay, next theme. Like neutral vibes on this one. Okay, you got purple and blue and pink. And some like handbags and planners. Got a blue and pink theme on this one. The donuts are cute. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Little desk scenes and computers. Ooh, I like the green computer. And the keyboard. That's fun. Ooh, that one's pretty, the orange. Looks kind of like Eastery. Oh, that's that cute theme. I love that little planner. That's so cute. Some watches and backpacks and all the things. Next theme. Oh, the little cat keychains. It's cute. So yeah, this is really nice because you just, again, you just use these 2 coordinating sheets to decorate a page and you're good to go. Has all of the function that you need and it's all color coded, but you could always, like, you know, pull from other colors if you're feeling like you want something different. Coffee section here. Ooh, black and pink. I like black and pink. All the black and pink stuff. And then we have some really nice quotes. I really like these. I love like I know I mention this all the time if you watch my videos, but I like the different combo of like regular print with like a scripty print. I love this kind of quotes where they're like long little strips. They don't take up like too much room. Yeah, I like the variety. These are good for like the sidebars and stuff on your planner. So we have quotes. Let me read some of them. How do you say, I haven't had enough coffee for this, but professionally? How to avoid stress at work? Don't go to work. Monday is the day that I start counting down to Friday. Very true. If each day is a gift, I'd like to know where I can return Mondays. All right, and then we get, a nice sheet of just headers in a very nice font. Priority to do, important follow-up, tomorrow, top task, action item, projects, brain dump, upcoming, research, contact, deadline, schedule, assignments, appointment pending, submit, planning, back burner, emails, calls, touch base. That's really nice. I don't think, there's a lot of these headers I've never seen in a book for like work, which is really nice. Like some of these like back burner, I've never seen. Brain dump, I don't know, maybe that one, touch base. I feel like Heather's really good about asking her patrons like their opinions and their ideas and like what they want to see in books. So I feel like she's really good at that. So there's some good words in there that I've never seen before, so I like that. All right, so that is daily work basics, Nutri Basics, and then of course the filler paper pack. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this, just one little sheet here. I'm going to use a couple of sheets from here and just do a little quick plan with me. And I think I'm just going to do like the first sticker sheet set just to make it easier on myself, because they're all really cute and I don't know which one I want to do, so I'll just go with the first ones first. First one up is first. And I'm just going to use this book just to see how this fits. Okay, so that way also you can see like that it fits in here. I'm assuming it all fits in here. We shall see. Let me see. Yeah, so if you wanted to put a checklist here, you just put the checklist down. Actually, I'll just do that. Let's put a little checklist here. We'll grab this gray one on this today section. Ooh, and fit it here. Like so. See how it fits perfectly within there? And then also the dots line up every other line. Love that. That perfection is nice. Say you don't need, like I don't have meetings every day at my work. We only have meetings on certain days. So say if I use this sheet and it was a no meeting day, I could take this box here and cover up the meeting section and make my own. You could cover it up with whiteout too if you don't want to see the meetings coming through the sticker, but then make your own little new box. And we'll put a heading, like I'll put, okay, I got priority. Let's put we'll just put don't forget. That's always a nice word to have. But don't forget here. Okay, so then we changed up that one. All right, and then let's see. I'm assuming this fits here perfectly, but I want to do some of these like smaller boxes. So I can do a box here. You can do things to follow up on, and maybe do like the top 3 things, like so. Okay, and then I don't know if this will fit, but I'm assuming, yeah, it'll fit here. Actually, yeah, it will fit. Okay, so important tasks, we'll stick here. And then of course you have like these little, bullet points over here. If you wanted to like, you know, jazz this up a little bit with some colored bullet points, if you want to take the time, ooh, you could always cover these up to put like color on them. Or if you want to add bullet points here. Ooh. Sorry, this is my first time using these tweezers, but I don't think I'm a fan of this. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my normal tweezers. Okay, yeah, these stick better. Easier to use. And then you could even like alternate the colors. You can put one on every single line if you want to, instead of like skipping a line. Maybe you just need 3. Okay, so that's a lot of function on a page. Okay, but now we have to decorate it, because of course we have to decorate it, because decoration is the best. Okay, so let me stick, of course, a planner. Planner must go here. So I'm just gonna stick it here in the corner, because I feel like, you know, there's enough space here. Stick one there. And there's cute like little small decor, which is nice. I love these like little bow things, little bow paper clips. These are cute, and I can just stick one here. It's not like in the way of anything, which is nice. I also really like these little binder clips. These are always fun to add onto corners of stuff like that. See, like little details here and there. It doesn't take up too much room, which is nice. Let's see what else we got. We'll do this phone with the watch. I feel like I need something here, so we'll just stick it in the corner. Again, there's still room for me to write. It's not taking up that much room where I can't use that space, so I feel like that's a good place for that. Also some florals. I mean, I have this empty space down here. I can stick this here. I'll get some scissors. There we go. Cute. All right, what else? Oh, let's stick this little book. You know what? Actually, let me stick this. It's like a little file holder thing. I kind of want to stick it here. Oh, how about the bag? The bag is cute. Honestly, a little goes a long way, because I feel like I have like a pretty good amount on the page to like not fill it up too much. Let's see. Actually, maybe this won't work. No, not that one. Just because of the spacing out. Oh, you know what? I'll do the glasses. The glasses are cute. I'll do the glasses. Let's see. I feel like up here. No. Okay. That's cute. I'm happy with that. And again, this would be filled with, for me at work, I would just, you know, fill up all the things in there. A little bit of decor, and then you could always add more in later. And you still got like a good amount left. This, if you didn't want this to say today and you just wanted it like a big box, this will fit perfectly here. Like I said, all of this is sized to fit perfectly in this, on these daily sheets. Very nice. Okay, so that is it. Again, these are going to be available to purchase. Down in the description we'll have, I'm going to put this video out when it's the day of purchase, so definitely check that out, but the time and all of that will be down in the description. And if you want to use my affiliate link, I'd appreciate it. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.